is this idea of tiers. Like you have your, let's say your 0 to 500, maybe $1,000 tier, so that you don't necessarily have to say no to jobs. So you have a camera body that works for maybe like social content, or you have a camera body that works for lower paying passion projects maybe. And then you have another tier that is just like, hey, we're going to do more. We need more capabilities. Maybe we need to record for longer and not have record limits. And you have that tier. And then you have a more premium tier, or you work up to those tiers.